This is the pink Terp Pen XL. The Terp Pen is an electronic nectar collector that's easy and convenient to use. $10 from each sale of the pink Terp Pen goes to the Keep Abreast Foundation. So let's get lit and save some tits. It's breath activated, so you breathe in to start warming up the coils. Then apply it to your concentrate. Big smooth hits. And I love this because it helps me taste the concentrates so much more. That's why it's called the Terp Pen. And I've got my MPX right here. So stay tuned for my unboxing video of this and grab one for yourself.